at Deer Creek. Today is November 17th. We're about to go on another journey. I wonder where we're going today.
It's gonna be exciting. Come along with us.
Yep, let's go. And down the 4th grade hallway. Woo! Hey friends, we just made it to room 116. I wonder what we're gonna see in there. Let's go.
Oh my goodness, Miss Boyle.
Whoa!
What is it, Miss Boyle?
It's a map.
It's what kind of map?
It's a giant map of Wisconsin.
I knew you would be so excited.
Oh, I am. My goodness.
Miss Boyle, you love maps.
Miss Chisholm, can we walk on this map?
Well, here's the thing. We can walk on the map, but not with these. So we can go on with socks. So let's do that right now.
All right, let's take our shoes off.
Let's get ready.
Yep. I just put on a fresh pair of socks to keep the map nice and clean. I don't have any pencils or pens with me.
Nope.
We're gonna keep this map looking nice.
This is a special map, friends.
Yep. Let's look at it. Come look with me. Mrs. Chisholm, how did this map get in here?
Well, I'm going to tell you about that, but I am ready because I'm now in socks to step onto the map. This is really special, friends. This giant map of Wisconsin is on loan for us. It's from our Deer Creek Library, and the reason we have it here today is so special, and I'm going to let Miss Boyle talk about that and show us this giant map of Wisconsin.
Yes. So friends, we've been talking about the trips we've gone on. We've talked about maps, waterways. So this map, we decided to check this out from our Deer Creek Library so we could kind of find where we've gone, see how close things are on a giant map. Wow. One of the things I'm looking for right away as we're stepping onto the map is I'm looking for Milwaukee. There we are.
Because I know St. Francis is not on here, but we know we're right next to Milwaukee, friends.
Oh. Wow, I'm noticing Lake Michigan. We've talked about Lake Michigan in a lot of our videos. We visited Lake Michigan in our last one where we found the lowest point in Wisconsin, which makes me think, I was looking at this earlier, and we found the highest point in Wisconsin right here by my pink sock. It's Timms Hill. That's the highest point. We visited the lowest point when we went to Kohler Andre.
And I'm kind of over here with my socks. This is about the lowest point. So if I think about that, friends, from the distance where I am, on this giant map, it doesn't look that far away, but that's something we're going to investigate later, is mileage and how we can calculate how far away something is in miles.
Yes. We also noticed, if I walk back here, I also think it's important that we point out Madison Here's Madison, our state capital. It's marked on our map with a star. Again, it has that special marking because it's our state capital.
Miss Boyle, will you stand on Madison?
Yeah.
Because I'm standing over here on Milwaukee. And I'm thinking about how far away is Madison from Milwaukee. What I'm noticing is you and me are almost standing on the same line of latitude. And we're going to talk about the latitude 43 degrees north. If I think about that, we're approximately there in Milwaukee, and it seems to be with our toes to toes. We're almost on a perfect line of latitude.
Huh.
That's interesting.
That is really interesting. Here's an overview of the map. I'm standing up here on a ladder to give you a better view from up top. And from this vantage point, I can notice so many more things. I am noticing the shape of our state. I'm noticing the waterways. That's really sticking out to me, explorers, because we've talked a lot about waterways in our class, in our videos. We've visited some waterways. So that's what's really sticking out to me right now. So I'm gonna come on down and I'm gonna show you a close-up view of all the water I'm seeing. So I'm walking up to our map again, noticing, yep, there again is Milwaukee. Here's Lake Michigan. As I'm walking along our border of our state, I see Green Bay.
Hey, Miss Boyle, I see 2 Green Bays.
Yes.
What's the deal?
So here's Green Bay, and here's Green Bay again. The Green Bay that's right by my green sock right here, that's the city of Green Bay. The Green Bay that's over here by my pink sock, this is an actual waterway. It's a bay that's called Green Bay.
Oh my goodness, that looks like it could also be part of Lake Michigan.
Yes. So Green Bay, the waterway, leads into here, into Lake Michigan, which if I step back here, you'll see Lake Michigan is labeled. So here, this is all of Lake Michigan. And we see that Green Bay connects to Lake Michigan right in here. This is where it connects. Oh, and here's the state of Michigan. As I keep walking, here's some more waterways and get to the top of my map. And I see Lake Superior. So to the north of our state, the boundary is between our state. So here's our state. Here's Michigan in this gray color. And then here's Lake Superior. I'm also noticing here are some of the islands that we talked about and we saw as we were discussing Wisconsin's 5 regions. Here is the Apostle Islands. Wow. As I come down and I'm walking south of on the map, I can see a lot of different waterways here. I see the markings of the lakes. I see the blue lines, which are telling me that those are rivers.
Wow, this map is showing me so much, Miss Boyle, because I'm noticing when you are up in Lake Superior, and I'm saying up, friends, because it's at the tip top of our state, but it's also our northern boundary. And I'm noticing natural water boundaries along our western border. Oh my goodness. It's almost like we're surrounded by water.
Yes. So here, friends, here is the boundary of our state. This is the edge marking of our state here. What Mrs. Chisholm is saying is that here, as I point at it, here is more water that is right along the border of our state. It's that boundary marking. Our state is surrounded quite a bit by water. We have, as we saw, rivers over here. We're then surrounded at the north by Lake Superior. We have, as I walk over here, here's Lake Michigan, Green Bay. Lots of water around our state.
I was thinking about what is the shape of our state. And now that I'm finding out we have so much water that serves as a natural border, I'm recognizing kind of the uniqueness of our shape. Hi friends, I'm standing here right kind of between Rhinelander and Tomahawk, Wisconsin. On our giant map, we were just talking about our unique shape, the outer borders of our state. And I was thinking, I remember thinking about the shape of Wisconsin and connecting it to our hand. So I'm thinking, okay, oh, this looks like the Door Peninsula. Oh, near my thumb and fingers, this looks like Green Bay. Ooh, my tallest finger looks like I'm at the tip top of our state, which right above there would be the Apostle Islands. Where my hand meets my wrist, that's the border of our state and our state to the south, Illinois. I'm just thinking that that could be really helpful. So I'm holding my hand up to think, how can I connect what I know to be facts and use my hand to help me? If I'm thinking about where my hand connects with my wrist, here at this border would be Illinois to the south. Going up to my thumb, as I'm looking at my thumb and I'm connecting with the map, I would see Green Bay, the Door Peninsula. So this tells me here's Lake Michigan. And then to the north, Lake Superior and part of Upper Michigan. And then this side of my hand is reminding me of Minnesota and then Iowa. So I can look at my hand and think about where are we? And to start to connect with exactly what states are surrounding us and what waterways surround our state.
So as we look at this map today, and we think about the uniqueness of this map, all maps have their own special qualities about them. But when I think about this map that we're looking at right now, this giant map, the thing that sticks out to me is that it really helps give me a better understanding and a better visual of where things are, the size of things, how close together different cities are, or like how Miss Chisholm pointed out, that Madison and Milwaukee are in line with one another. That's something really special that helps us learn about our state and where things are.
Miss Boyle, I wasn't noticing a big lake. We were talking about these great lakes. Lake Superior, one of them, Lake Michigan. But I see Lake Winnebago.
Yes.
Wow, that's a pretty large inland lake in our state.
Yes, when I look around at our map here, Lake Winnebago sticks out the most, and it looks like, it appears to be the biggest lake in our state, the largest lake. I wonder if this is somewhere where we could go, Mrs. Chisholm.
Oh, I think we need to take a trip to Lake Winnebago.
Yes.
Stay tuned for someday, some trip there.
That'll be fun.